Cartel right now, dog, me think a time for you retire.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Retire, bro.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
And them suck me ya. Make me dark up in bumbuckler place, you know. You see them suck me ya. Me never hear it, you know.
2,000 years later.
He actually needs to retire. He is past retirement age. And I say that with grace and love.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. People, come in. Yeah, man. We're going to talk about the new Crown King coming up this weekend. Because this is the thing, you know. You see when the industry are push you. Yeah, man. Things just are going to happen behind the scene and them not see the reality, you know. Them not post the reality and walk on, you know. Zane. But look, you know. I'm going to play one of them guys. I don't know if she a Gaza, but the way she talk, you see me? She just contradict herself over and over. Zane. But this is the thing, people. Yeah, man. The way them prep up the world boss thing. Them, this is the thing, you know, when the industry push you, you know, it's like you can't do nothing wrong. Them hide all of the mistake, whatever go on when the people not like. Yeah, man, I make everything look good. Yeah, man. But people, I'm gonna play some clip. I'm gonna react to them and tell them what go on. But hear what that girl there say.
Carry the crowd. Let's talk openly and honestly. Vibes was not the problem. First of all, his mic was a problem.
So people, Jano, this is a bag of excuse when it comes to VYBZ KARTEL performance. Vibes is not the problem. It's the mic is the problem. Remember, you know, people, I'm gonna play VYBZ KARTEL video where I'm performing, but these people, she not no sense. And she contradict herself, you know. Cause what she said now make no sense. Yo, Jano, just listen what she say, people.
Whole problem the whole time. Secondly, you got a bag of people at the front of the stage that don't know about vibes. They couldn't.
Jeez, so weird it. People, now she just say, at the mic are the problem, so all the people at the front, no vibes. Yo, people, I tell you, so yo, the people are jam, I know. So weird. But here what you gonna say, people again, when you gonna make you laugh.
Carry the crowd. Yeah, it was ridiculous. Everyone that knew about vibes was at the back. The people at the front, it's not even their era. You can.
Yo, the one said the people at the front, and not even the ear, the people in my back, I'm here. But I understand. Then how them know the age of the people in their front for Jano people. May I tell you, the bag of excuses for just make a man know say, yo, a man nah do good, you know. Bag of excuses, it nah make no sense. Why would a man that show and people in their front and a film era and the people in my back of feet? I don't understand. When an artist a perform, and you hear say the people at the front and a film, them not come to see the artist there and the people at the back. I don't understand that. Bag of excuses. You just don't like when people talk the truth. You understand? The man just nah perform the way all the people them. You understand where for real up on certain things. Sometimes you can just go on with it and just take the beating, you know. You understand? And beat with facts. You understand? Yeah, you can do that. And every time things are go perfect or it want to go, but you not come out with these ridiculous excuses. When it make no sense. People there front. And a film era, but the people in my back are film. That now make no sense, lady.
On the screen, there were young bucks. It made no sense. I'll be honest with you, I don't think I'll be going to that festival again. That shit's too commercial for me. The DJs did not carry shit throughout. I'll be honest. When you go to a festival, normally the DJs will carry the vibe throughout each act. Between each act yesterday, the crowd fell silent. And when I mean silent.
Ah, boy. So people, remember she just saying people in my front and a cartel era, the people in my back. Then if you say the crowd silent, so how the people in my back silent too? I don't understand. You just contradict yourself. I don't know what you try to explain. You say the people in their back of the cartel. Now you say the crowd silent. So when the people in back, far away, left side, who's trying to feed people in?
Hi Toast. I mean silent. I need some toast. I feel sick, man. The DJs are diabolical, and the crowds were even worse. The crowd were just singing the words they knew, and once those words stopped, they stopped. Me and my friend got fairly quite close to the stage when Vibes was on, when Popcorn was on. When I tell you, at least 95% of people.
So wait there. So she say, remember you know, she said when VYBZ KARTEL and Popcorn come, them get closer to the stage. Then she go say people in my front stage and a female era. I don't understand. Yo, Jano, the bag of excuse. And this is why the artists can't even try to capitalize on these things. If in this say a lot of people are found out and not talk the truth, then he would have looking with himself. But it's like everybody just a find excuses. So him just go just head up down the road when everybody a beat him and go look too obvious now.
In our vicinity, we're not moving. Dry. And it got to a point where we were packed in like sardines and you just couldn't move anyway. I straight up said in front of people.
So people, Jano. People, when you see the show them with Beyonce them do and Drake them do and the people them a move, even Travis Scott, and the people them close up and everything and still a move. The bag of excuses. The excuses. So she has said the place packed like sardines and nobody could move. That now make no sense.
Around me, I said, this crowd's dry. Like your 80-year-old grandma's back foot dry. And then to end the night, I had Drake floating above my fuck.
This is the thing. Kartel is just not vibes. Him not perform good for like make the people them move. Like first of all, it's just that Kartel just him just a do him thing. Him just a sing some song. You understand? But you don't realize that yo, the way you not prep up things to make it seem like yo, this man and come on man. You know, him do him thing, but when it comes to performance, it just the voice is out there and him not use bands. It's like it's just a karaoke business. You see me? Yeah.
Head to Whitney Houston. And then I thought there was another tune coming. No.
Yeah, people, but this is the thing, you know, people. You see, enough of these things are hidden, and them not highlight these things. A lot of people forward out and talk about the show and talk a lot of things. You understand? Yeah, but as the thing said, people have to just come out and talk the facts, and you know, it have to reach artists and make them know, say, yo, this not make no sense. But the thing, you know, people, I play that brother here, you know. Yeah, man, I go play that brother here, what I go on. You see it? Yeah, I know hear what I say, see it?
You know what it means, I'm already here, right? Wrap up, Wireless, 2025. Now believe me when I say you lot are all entitled to your opinion, and that's amazing. However, Wireless was trash. As you remember, I was moaning about the scheduled times and the set times, Massacre being on at 2 o'clock.
Jano, dog, you know if you did Massacre, you know, brother. You know if you did Massacre, so dog, Jaja. Jano, you know if you did Young King, so.
I don't think they got it wrong. I take back my talk because his performance, man.
Jano. Yo, me tell you, you know, reality is hitting now, you know. See, so am I going with the Massacre thing? We've been talking about it. We've been talking about it, people. It's just, and them not listen. Them go some place and get some hype, but when them go to real place, them is like, nothing did it. Massacre, I don't know. I mean, I gave him for so many years and people still talk about him performance, them. Jaja. That's how you think, go.
Don't take back my talk for Spice. Spice is a performer. We all know this. She could have been on a little later. Spice did her thing.
Yeah, man. That's a one thing with Spice. I will give her the press for that. When it comes up to stage performance, trust me. A game is there. She know if we come up with her skits, them, everything. She bring the vibes. I'm not in a life on that.
Yeah. Now, you know I was moaning. World Boss should have been on later. Burna Boy should have been on before. Take back my talk. Because, yeah, Kartel kind of. And I know you lot are going to chat
Yo, Jano. You know look good. You know look good for your new king. May I tell you? You know look safe. Yeah, man, you know look safe. And you know everybody I look out for Sunfest weekend. Yeah, man.
in the comments. Pardon my French, but I don't know if it was his earpiece or what, but what he was singing and the backing track weren't aligning. I know it just...
Yo, people. I joke thing this. Yo, this come like when you carry your car. Got alignment stand to bomba. Man say your song not aligned. Jano. Jano, this don't look good for Kartel still. Jano, we are telling people. Yo, he have some a great artist, but the thing looks sticky. Jaja world boss.
It's what my ears was hearing that, innit? And then the fact that you didn't perform certain songs, you only done certain songs, and I understand you got a time limit, but
Yo, Jano, now if you did the world boss, no, remember now we say, yo, man sick, you know, man. Remember, say, man sick. You understand? Remember, man do 13 years, and you can't pressure man, so. You see me? Yeah, man. But I just say things that people, more going to come, like, more people will come talk about all these performance and things. That's how I think go. You see me? Yeah, man, the bag of prep up and the industry prep up to make things look good. Yeah, man, it have end up in a them way. You see me? Because I feel so comfortable and feel like he might do something and not work on him performance and work for him for work and a song choice and all of them look or something. You see me? Yeah.
yeah, you needed to do some, more Black Kartel we want here. Then I'm there arguing with my friendship group, talking about Cartel should have been on later. Burna Boy can't chat to him. Burna Boy can chat to him.
Yo, Jano. Me don't know why they compare Burna Boy with it. Burna Boy can perform. Cartel cannot perform. Burna Boy, when it comes to performance, Burna Boy triple that. Burna Boy know for perform. You understand? And them man they pull bigger crowd than Cartel. You see it? Where they must see about 80,000 the man pull. So, a different thing.
Burna Boy can chat to him, yeah? Then, listen. Next.
Jano, you know see what going on a while ago, people? Man out for say popcorn and man out say, next. Jano, so you man a deal with the world pilot? Eh? Jano, I say man a deal with microwave, can't deal the man so? And the man think bigger UK? Jano, dog.
Now let's talk Drake. Drake? I thought I was at Ocean Beach with this remix Drake that he was doing. I don't know if he got his BBL, got the six-pack implanted, and you thought you were Swedish House Mafia. Why are you doing house remixes to all your big songs? No one want to hear that. And then you have the cheek to swing round on the crane, talking about and I sure.
Jano, me and people talk about that, you know, the Whitney Houston thing, you know, but I don't know, yeah, man. I just feel like, say, when I see them put Drake on a show for 3 days straight, I say, yo, Jano, I don't think that good, because it's like, target played out, they say, like, I understand if 1 and 2, but when they do 3 days, it's a kind of, you see me? Yeah, but I saw the thing setting up people, but people, this, I went Cartel up on stage, and should we bring up Burna Boy? We're going to play that one here, but we have to hear what Burna Boy say when Cartel up on stage, watch ya.
This is what this is. Yeah, let's go down, Shana. After the wolf. It's a big festival. Let's go wolf here. Don't worry, there's the real.
Jano, yo, I don't know where Cartel are do with Aishana thing, you know. I don't know any people. Yeah, man. I don't know where man are do with Aishana, Jano. I just feel like, say, yo, the female dancehall artist, I don't know, but Aishana, I don't know how, but I guess Vice Cartel have a faith and him see the future with her. Maybe that's why I'm try and him not give up, you see me? And we just hope, say, things come true, cause if they run Cartel for the next 1 or 2 year or 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, nothing, Jano, it'll look away worse, you see me? Yeah, that is it. But people, me have a brother here, Jano, man, I did Cartel away, dog, and I say, oh, Jano, I saw this a go on. But people, I make you hear what I go on.
Money, you're performance Cartel right now, dog. I think it's time for you to retire.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Retire, bro.
You're
not Germany. You're
a vendetta sheep. You're a vendetta sheep. Watch this, son. Tell me.
You see, that's the thing, you know. You see, when people talk, they want to say vendetta sheep. But when vendetta not do sheep, you understand? Remember, say a cartel on a shepherd and him call uno sheep, so. I don't know if no vendetta sheep, you know. Vendetta is just vendetta. But you say vendetta fans. You see, but people want to listen keenly. The Gaza man here say, the one way in the glasses with him ear plait up. Because when I say, I don't know where I try, what's the result where I try say.
This Cartel sell out the parties 2 nights in a row. Wait till the best I show you something. Cartel sell out Miami.
Alright, so
relax. So if you want there, I don't know the way up to par and I work. Why would the shows them sell out? If you did so awful. If you
brother, I tell you this, because you're not understanding, you know. I tell you, say, yo, you not look for one thing, you know. It's like you not look for inside of the box and now look where they round the box outside. One place you not look, brother. You not for understand. You not talk about shows and everything. Remember, say, all these places the man go and sold out, the people them just a see him. Them just a see him after 13 years. So the show them are going to sell out. You understand? You see, after everything now and him go everywhere now, and it go back to reality, things are going to get back to normal, the original way. Now him at him peak where people want to see him because they never see him for how long, 20 years or the 13 years. See? That's why I'm sure them a sell out. It now if you do nothing with no performance. You see it seen perform over Germany and them places and the people must say, yo, Ray not sound good. Because they done go couple shows and everything just get well done. When everybody see him, then it will go back to square one. You understand? I just saw the thing said.
if you could perform, why people still show up? Did you say?
Brother, it's not the performance make the people them a show up, brother. It's because them not see him for years. That's why them show up. Them want to see him. You understand? But when them start, we got different show and I see now and say performance now then them come out, come talk about it. You understand? So don't make it look say a performance really make them a go there. Enough time shows them him carry on a lot of artists, so the people them know the routine where him always to call up artists for the stage. So them say, alright, we'll get a package. We'll go see him and other artists and maybe some unexpected artists too. You see what I'm trying to say? So you have to just understand that.
I want to listen to me as a tricks. Vybz Kartel when come from prison, dad. This song that Vybz Kartel sing right now, dad. They don't have no substance in it. We can like someone. Bro,
that a facts. You see me, that a facts. And I just one song him have, and the guy I go say it in the video. You see it?
So I one good song so far, me hear man sing, and the God is the greatest. What?
And that are the thing. And the reason why people do the God is the greatest song. It's a good song, and it's a good, you see me, like a message, a God thing. It shows how the struggles in the prison and where him go through the sickness and everything in a prison. Zayn and him there road now says like people want to see a change, man. So when them hear me sing about God, cause back then you don't know him did a push the devil thing. So when them hear me sing about God now, they must say, oh, it's a change, man. Alright, we'll give him a second chance. You understand? So yeah, that's why that song that even I don't know people with God thing already. You understand? Them always, you know, once they say God in it, people are gonna just run with it. But the other is a song them nobody even really meds them. You see what I'm trying? So you what am I gonna say? Brother, I don't know which comment forward, you know, no comment no there, brother. I can't tell when last I hear that song they play. Yeah, man. That is just an entry song. That was just a hot song, brother. Hot song. And it peak, but it just far. It's just a hot song, that, brother. And a really hit song, that. You see me? Yeah.
No substance. Yeah, real man, that time. We'll go back to the short journey. It started good, but he can't. Yeah, man. He cannot keep up.
And facts that him can't keep up. Him can't keep up. That's why he even carry spice everywhere. If you make him and spice kind of boot up the thing. Him can't, after a while, him can't keep up. You see me, and down in the video, I'm going to play a video and show you. You see it? But you don't know the guys man them stay with it. Them not like when the truth talk, you know. It kind of hurt. You see it? You see it? Look, watch it. You hear him voice on. You know, like here today, you see him double down, you know. In quiet, you know, when the man bring up bounty thing, you know. Because enough of them know, all they see him alive, they know say man can't perform, you know. But he might try jerry it up and I try make it look good. You understand? So the man bring up bounty now, bounty how much age, and he might do him thing, and he can do performance better. You see him cut down and him look. Nothing no dead, brother, just shoot the man attack.
Look at I don't have energy, look at bounty killer energy. What are them in league? Vybz Kartel have the same energy, brother. I wanna go like, I don't know what's the man sick.
That is the problem. That is the problem. The bagger excuses people. So all the way man talk a while ago before, yeah, man solo out this, the man do this, the man ray. When him realize say the truth start hitting now and the man start bring up some artists where him are in a theme era now and he say them the man they are perform good. You hear when say, yo, wanna forget say man sick. So what me can never say when the man a solo place and yeah say man a perform already in the sick. You know me realize you see every time Kartel a fail, you try to bring in the sickness thing. But when him a win, you not talk about no sickness. Yeah, man, I saw on stay, you don't like facts. You see it? Yeah, Kartel a great artist, but when people come out and attack the truth, you have to really look into yourself. You understand? Because artists are way older. This is the thing, you know. Kartel have him sick, but the thing is that, brother, the bag ego talk and all of them look at something there, bro. And no man nah act like them sick, the bag drinking when him do and all of them look at something there. That no look like a sick man, brother. He man even a smoke. And the man have a thyroid problem, throat problem. Him sick, but he must smoke and a drink. So, if we over care about a man and a care about himself, this bagger, yo, forgot to say man sick. It seems like him care about if him sick. That's the problem, we don't know. I'm a bad mind, brother. I'm a bad mind that. The thing is that, you know, we see when the reality to not go understand, you know. Because we don't really care about the artist. You see it? We don't really care about the artist. And we don't prep up this man, highlight him, we don't say him a lead. But when him go out there in the world and things look good and people talk about it and get a bad comment in a way where it don't even look good. It's like that you don't want. You understand? Yeah, Kartel's a great artist, but the performance thing for such an artist where them the industry are push out there, I say, yo, him a lead, it not look good. And if you just admit it, you see it.
cannot give people them what they want. So the people have paid to go there. And that's why they get disappointed.
Brother, yo, him not understanding no. Him not understanding no. People pay for see Kartel because they not see him for so much years. That's why the reason them pay. When they not see somebody for how long, them a go pay. Yeah, them a go pay for see him. It's not a really 100% about the performance. Cause if it was for the performance, you not see a different outcome.
I never hear nobody say they disappointed. They not come talk yet. I never seen it here.
Ah boy, I tell you now, so them Gaza man stay now. Well, we know the social media stay. Them now go promote the people them or put up the post the people them will really come talk the truth about how Kartel perform. You understand? Yeah, but people may have a next girl for you if you should talk about the wireless thing.
Elephant in the room, and he actually needs to retire. He is past retirement age, and I say that with
Jano. You can't do the world boss, so. The man just fall from prison and man just start perform overseas on the biggest level, you know. And one the man retire already. In just 1 year. John, we no look good, man. They not so bad the man at all. John,
grace and love. I absolutely loved his performance. Like, that was one of my things that I really wanted to see. However, when you are singing a lot slower than the music, and I don't think this is even now technical issues, you are singing slower than the music. And at one point, he actually even apologized because during his first performance, he had gotten on, and I think it was just too much for him. So,
Jano, I know. People, I forgot to try to help out the world boss in a car. This not look safe at all. People might make some talk, the people might make some talk, some people might make some excuses. Yeah, man, but you might have a couple show come, man. You know, so a couple I go so loud, cause you don't know. People there, they wanna see me, you know, so. But we are going to see what go on and so much more people are going to forward out and talk about it, you see? But here, this are the big performance, you know, people. You can't miss that one here, you know. Yeah, man. This are the Gaza boss where them say, I shell down the place, them are one bag of thing, you know. Yeah, man. And this are the same, say, the crowd, now they are the one where they are the front and a theme, and the one where they are back a theme. But just look, cause if you look on the crowd, some people are moving, and if them are cut out or what. But people, you have to watch a video here, you know.
Love me, the five verses. Look, you want to be a bit, it ain't no lie. You guys know my fiance's British, right? Listen, she don't want me to be a pop star, but to be up the host of my son, girl. Tell me they are prison, me baby.
Jano, I don't know. I just, people, I don't know if it's man, if you just finishing World Tour and then after World Tour, bro, just go and do something. Either sign some artists or just say, or, I don't know, cause I don't think no more dead for the new music them for you. You see me have a huge catalog and I just say a thing. You see me, they might give him the crown. So that crown there, I go straight to retirement. You see me? Yeah. And I like being we get him crown young and then. But people, now if you just watch the performance and see what I go on here, man. Jano. I don't know. People of them there. You know? Them just there. You know what this look like to me, people? This come like, you know, when you go someplace like karaoke night and people just there watch and I just want to see it. I don't know. That's one of them things there, man, people.
She loves me, I'm in love, man. They say you want the love of my life. Tell me I'm free, you should be my wife. If you need a love till the day, it's fight for your fight.
People, if you watch them people around the back, you know, be people are moving, I don't know where them are going, you know. I don't know where them are go. Jano. Me see, wait, then I will not fear call this, sir. Jaja. People, I just say things set, you know. That's the Gaza boss, you see it? Yeah, man, them say the new king that. You know? Yeah, man, you don't know the new king then, you see me? I don't know the performance, I don't know about that, but I just one of them things there, man. I think them need for, I don't know how, but to me, as the people them say, him just with us finish him, I will finish him world tour and thing, and then just know say why eat that, yeah, man. You see me? Yeah. I just one of them things. Nothing wrong people. Him do him years, but you don't know him mess up and then him go prison, and that just take away whole moment when him should have there road for perform and thing. But I saw the thing said people, you know. People talk them opinions and facts and, you know, one bag of thing. But people, they don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man, they don't know a reason already, you see me? Yeah, man. That is it.